Let me teach you how I made this delicious Nigerian egusi soup. So yummy, very flavorful and super delicious. Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. I hope you all are doing well. In this video, we are going to learn together how to make this delicious Nigerian egusi soup. If you want to see how I achieved this, please keep on watching. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and do that. Tap on the bell icon as well. In that way, you get instant notifications anytime I post a new video. So thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye-bye. Bye, lovelies. Let's prepare our proteins. In a clean pot, I added cow meat, chicken, and stockfish. Any seasoning of your choice. Chili, ginger and garlic, Maggi seasoning, and a little bit of onions. Mix properly. And then add a little water and allow this to cook. So I'll be adding water later bit by bit. Now the meat has cooked properly and is done. Add the meat stock into the egusi. You can also substitute this with water. So I'm using about 2 to 3 cups of egusi. Mix to combine and put aside. In a clean pot, add your palm oil. You have to allow this to heat up a bit, then add your blended bell pepper, onion, habanero pepper, dawa and scotch bonnet, or any chili pepper you have. After that, we are going to add locust beans. Stir to combine. You have to leave this for a while. Then add a little bit of crayfish, keeping the rest for later. Let me know where you're watching from so I can send you a hug. And don't forget to thumbs up this video if you haven't. Keep on watching. After 1 to 2 minutes, I will stir a bit and then add the remaining stock as well as the rinse from the blender. I'll cover for a few minutes. Now I'm going to stir everything together. Then I'm going to top up the water. Next, I'll be adding the dry fish. So this is direct from my home nation, Biafran land. If you haven't seen the unboxing about this fish, I'll be putting the video up there. Please go and watch it. So after a few minutes, I added the egusi spice. I also showed you guys this during my unboxing. Add Maggi seasoning. Stir to combine carefully. After combining this together, I'm going to add the proteins we took out earlier. You have to carefully add this to avoid splashing. Then I'm going to mix carefully to combine everything together. Then cover and allow to cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Then stir well. I will add the remaining crayfish I took out earlier. A pinch of salt and mackerel. Mix to combine carefully. Lastly, I'm going to add vegetable. Add your vegetable. I'm using African spinach, although it looks like ugu, pumpkin leaves. With the help of my spoon, I'm going to push this in and cover and allow to simmer for about 1 to 2 minutes. Back in the pot, the soup is done. Like all through this video, the aroma in my kitchen was just simply amazing. Thank you also so much for watching this. We paired this with wheat flour and the swallow came out so good. Please thumbs up this video if you haven't and subscribe to my channel if you also haven't. And I will see you all in my next one. Bye bye. Bye, friends.